And Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. Today is the Monday 25th of January 2021. Student, today we will do our chapter energy and we will draw the diagram that is forms of energy. Student, first of all, what is energy? Here I have drawn a diagram which is included in your syllabus, forms of energy. First of all, what is energy? Students, energy is needed to do work. So we define the energy that the ability to do work is known as energy. Here, these are the forms of energy. Number first one is the potential energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is the form of stored energy possessed by an object. We have two types of potential energy that are gravitational potential energy and the elastic potential energy. The gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in a body due to its elevated position. For example, here aeroplane. And the elastic potential energy is the stored energy possessed by a body when it is being stretched or compressed. For example, here the example written is stretched spring. So this is potential energy. Next one is the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of a body possesses due to its motion. For example, here the example given is a moving car and a flying bullet. Next one is heat energy. Student, what is heat energy? Heat is the form of energy which flows from a higher temperature to another region of a lower temperature. Sun is basically the source of heat, and here the example given are sun and chemical reaction. Many chemical reaction involves the formation and evolving of heat. So this is heat energy. Next one is the chemical energy. What is the chemical energy? Chemical energy is the form of energy which is present in our food, fuels or batteries. So example written over here are food, fuels and batteries. Students, green plants trap the light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy during the photosynthesis. Other form of energy are sometimes converted into chemical energy before they are saved for future use. So this is all about the chemical energy. Next one is the electrical energy. Electrical energy involves the flow of electric current or electric charges and can be transmitted over long distances through cables. So the example written over here are electric cables, bulbs, and many other things which uses the electrical energy. For example, electrical appliances which are used in our home, ovens, etc. Next energy is the light energy. Student, light is the form of energy. It is stored for us to see the things and for plants to make the food. The example written over here are sun. Sun is the major source of light and heat energy. So we write the sun. Next one is the stars. As you know, stars also give us light. Bulbs. Next one is the sound energy. What is sound energy? Sound energy is produced by vibrating objects. Our vocal cords vibrate when we are speaking. So the example of sound energy written here are air, drums and many other musical instruments also included in the examples of sound energy. Next one is the nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy? Student, nuclear energy is released during nuclear fission or nuclear fusion reaction. First of all, what is nuclear fission reaction? Students, in the nuclear fission reaction, heavy elements, for example uranium, are split into the lighter elements and during the process, enormous amount of energy in the form of heat and light is released. So this is nuclear fission reaction. And what is the nuclear fission reaction? Nuclear fusion is the reaction in which the light elements, for example hydrogen, combine and to form a slightly heavier element such as helium, and this is used in the atomic bomb. So this is the example of nuclear energy. So this is all about the forms of energy. Students, you have to write the definition of energy and then draw the diagram of forms of energy in your copies. Thank you.